officially spooky season, which means we can officially get into Halloween nail content. To start it off, y'all see this big old box here. Y'all already know, reading the title, it is some SheIn nail products. I'm not going to really unbox everything that I got in the box today in this one video. In this part of the SheIn unboxing, we're going to do some Halloween nail accessories. So this is everything Halloween and nails. If you're interested in that, make sure you keep on watching. Everything is beginner friendly and it's super cheap. Let's go ahead and break this box on down. Y'all can see I already opened it. Let me kind of organize it off camera and then we're gonna come back and show y'all all my Halloween stuff. So first I'm gonna show you guys the charms that I got. I really needed some spooky charms. I don't have any whatsoever right now. So I got these. This one is like an assortment of different charms. We have some spiders, and then the spiders have rhinestones in the middle of them, and it's super cute. I like it. And then we have some skulls also with some rhinestones, and then these skeleton hands. This is really the only thing that I wanted, because I have a set in mind for these little hands. So yeah, y'all will be seeing these really soon in future sets with me. So just a little disclaimer about SheIn nail accessories. 9 times out of 10 they are going to turn on you, because I've had that happen in the past after wearing it for a couple days, especially after you wash your hands a couple times. Yeah, it's going to turn colors. What I would do to keep them from turning is just to put like just one coat of top coat on top of them, because these are actually super cute charms and I still want to be able to use them. So yeah, we gonna figure it out. We gonna do what it do. All right, so up next we have some more charms, some more spider charms. So we have one little baggie that has blue rhinestones, red rhinestones, and pink rhinestones, and they are smaller than these other spiders that I got in this other baggie. These are quite bigger, but let me show you guys how they look side by side. I'm not gonna lie, I did get a little spider happy, but I like to have options. And when you have rhinestones that are cheap the way they are on SheIn, we can rack it up. So still staying true to the spooky season, we have these flowers. I thought these flowers were super like rustic looking, and it gives a dark Halloween type vibe to them, so I wanted to buy those and have those in my little collection. This is how big it is compared to my finger. It is on a bigger side. Now I think this one I was the most excited about, because I can make my own nail accessories. I've seen quite a few people do it already on TikTok, and when I saw that they had silicone molds on SheIn, I was like, okay, this is gonna change the game. So I got this silicone mold. It has pumpkin bat stars, you have moons, and it looks like a little ghost here too. And then they're small enough molds to where they can fit on your nail. So I did not find this in the nail section. Actually, I found this just scrolling through like random miscellaneous items on SheIn, and I found it and I was like, okay, yeah, we're going to go ahead and get this. So with a one-time purchase of just this little silicone molding, you can have an unlimited amount of little nail charms. So I always wanted the little spiky little nail charms on my nails. I feel like you can use this not only just for like the Halloween vibe, but this can be for any like edgy nail set. So yep, I got me some little spikes. The only thing I'm worried about is them turning, so I'll probably have to put like a little top coat on each of them, which couldn't be tedious. That's the only thing, but I don't know if these will turn though. But we've had that problem in the past, so I would have to test these out to see if they will actually turn. You get what you get when it comes to SheIn, and for the price, I'm not mad at it, so we're not gonna complain. So next we have some foils. So this isn't really Scream Halloween. I just like the dark lace, and I have a nail idea for this, and I'm gonna make it Halloweeny. So these foils, I bought 2 packs, and I didn't realize that both of these literally are the same exact thing. They have the same exact patterns in both the box and the little package. I think with the box you might get more, so just keep that in mind. It has a lace pattern. I really like the lacy pattern, and I thought I could turn it into a Halloweeny set since it's black. I just had like a little idea in my head. Hopefully I can bring it to life. But what I really wanted to know was whether these foils will be able to transfer easily, because some foils don't transfer as easy and could be a little annoying to try to transfer. So I wanted to test to see how well it transfers. And with the first one, I wanted to test them both, like one foil out of each pack, So the first one is out of the pack. I'm using some foil glue from my cart to transfer everything. And to get it to transfer, I just really rub until the foil kind of comes up on its own. And this foil did just that, so I like it. It was super easy to transfer. I do have little spots here and there that didn't transfer, but that's just because I didn't lay the foil all the way flat because I was just trying to do it just to see how it would transfer. So don't mind those little spots. I could have laid it on the nail a little bit better, but yeah, it transferred very well, and so did the other one. I guarantee these are just the same exact things. I just wanted to test them individually just to see if there was any difference, but it wasn't. It's pretty good. I like it. I like the way they transfer. So thumbs up with these foils from SheIn. These didn't do me dirty, so we can appreciate that. Okay, so next I found some sticker stencils. I thought this would be very helpful for any beginner that's just starting out with nail art and finding it a little tricky. I know when I first started with nail art, I struggled real bad, so I would have appreciated some stencils. So I just wanted to buy it to show you guys, like, this is out there, something you can get to help you out if you're just in the beginning stage with nail art but you still want to do nail art. I really want to try these out so bad. This is definitely going to be another TikTok video I'm going to do in the future. But these stencils have different Halloween designs. I bought 2 different packets, and in each packet they have several different designs, just different little Halloween designs that you can do. That's a real nice little beginner friendly nail hack. So these next ones, I just thought they were super cute. They're some ghosts and bats, little 3D charms. And I imagine if I create my own charms with the silicone molds, this is exactly how they would look. I hope so, because these are super cute. And next we have some nail stickers. Honestly, just got these because they were glow in the dark, and I really want to do a glow in the dark type set, but we have to test and see if it's actually glow in the dark. So I cut off the lights and I tested it out, and you can barely see it on camera here, but I promise y'all, it is glowing. Okay, it's very faint on camera, but in real life it does glow. The stickers is basically like a skeleton's finger, and then it looks like a little skull in the butterflies, which is super cute. I like the look of the skull face in the butterfly, so yeah, I'm gonna have to try that out in a set. We got a lot to do. We got a lot to try out. We're coming down to the end. We have some pumpkins here, and it's just like some glitter pumpkins. They're huge though. They're really, really big. So I didn't really take that into consideration when I bought it, but I still can imagine that you can fit it on the nail as long as you flatten it well. You can do this by encapsulating them, and they come in all different colors. And lastly, we have some glitter. I really like the shade of this glitter. They give you a little applicator to kind of rub it on your nail. This type of glitter looks so good encapsulated on a nail. I believe it comes in different colors on SheIn. It's kind of like a greenish, bluish color. Oh, I know that was a little short of a video, but I got y'all with 2 other videos so I can show y'all everything else that came in the package. So if you want to see everything else that came in the package, make sure you subscribe to the channel and you turn on your notifications so you can be notified each and every time I post. The next one will be a Christmas haul, and then matter of fact, the next one will be just a regular SheIn nail haul that I always do all the time, and then the next one after that will be a Christmas haul with Christmas items. Next week is my birthday, so I will be doing my birthday nail set here on camera for you guys. I'm going to be asking you guys what I should do on my Instagram so you guys can vote. Make sure you follow me on Instagram so you can vote whenever I put that poll up on my Instagram story. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next week's video.